Good morning, subscribers. Today we're going to be installing this rear view camera onto any Android head unit. Let's get into it, guys.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Right, so in this video we'll have a look at this camera package that comes with most Android head units. It doesn't say very much in the specifications, I must say, but there they are if you want to have a look. That's the camera. It comes with it's supposed to be the power, and that's the video, and that's the power cable it comes with. And this is the long video cable that goes from the camera to the head unit. And many of you are wondering what this red cable is for. I'm gonna explain that now. So on your reverse light on your rear of your car, we're going to tee into your positive and negative using this cable, positive and negative. This is a bit of a lifesaver, if you ask me. Instead of running two cables all the way to the reverse on your radio, so you're going to plug this into your power, that same power that you use to power your camera. So you're going to pretty much bridge those two together, and then where this plugs into your radio, at the back of the radio, we're going to plug this red wire into the pink reverse signal at the back of the radio. So when you engage reverse, power is sent up through this long cable and into the back of the radio, which makes life very easy. So I'll show you where we're going to tee into at the rear of my car, and don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. It really helps the channel. Thank you very much. Right, guys, I've removed my rear tail light, and this is where I'm going to put my power cable through there, running on the inside, and that's where I'm going to connect it to, that red and white cable here. That's my reverse light. I'm going to go through there and come out here. Right, guys, just want to do a final explanation of how the wiring is. So this is where we tee in with our power cable from our reverse light. So I'll be taking our reverse light power through our grommet, and it comes out here. This is our power to our camera. So that's your positive and negative, and we tee off positive on this line, which is going to go all the way back to the radio head unit. I've put the camera through here, mounted there. So again, that's your power and that's your video. We're going to plug in the power here and plug in the power and video. So that's, I've put the video cable runs all the way along the side to the radio. And then by the radio here, this is the same cable that comes from the back here. That's video into your radio head unit, and the red cable I've soldered to your reverse. Right, I'll insulate everything up and get back to you. Alright, guys, we're back. Everything closed up, everything cable tied and insulated. Right, radio put back. So with ignition on and the radio on, playing music or whatever you're doing, as soon as you put reverse, camera switches on. Simple as. Out of reverse, back to home. Into reverse. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Any questions, just put it in the comments below, and check the description for this radio and the camera kit. Thanks guys, and have a nice day.